Hello, I'm David Ischek, a technical trainer at Vokera. In this video I'll be showing you the basics of using the Vokera BeSMART room control. First of all, let's cover the display. By default, the large central number at the top always displays the current room temperature and not the target temperature. The target temperature is displayed when the up or down arrow buttons are pressed during adjustment. At the bottom of the display to the right, we have the time of day indicator, and to the left, the day of the week indicator. At top left, we have the set temperature levels. T3, which is a comfort temperature, T2, a temperature for activity, and T1, an economy temperature. You can program changes between these levels at half-hour intervals to suit your preferences, and each day can be to a different schedule. Immediately below is the timeline displaying a full day in half-hour segments. As I've mentioned, each half-hour segment can have a different temperature level assigned to it. Immediately below this we have mode selection, allowing you to choose between auto, manual, holiday, party and standby modes. There is a hot water only mode available if the BeSMART is connected to the boiler by the OpenTherm protocol. In the top right of the display are a series of icons indicating the heating or hot water functions. If flashing, they indicate the boiler is currently fulfilling that request. In the very top right is the receiver connection indicator, which illustrates a connection between the BeSMART control and the receiver by the boiler. And finally, top left, we have the battery condition indicator. This will give plenty of warning before fully depleting. The batteries are easy to change and should give over a year's life, unless the room unit is constantly searching for connection to the receiver due to distancing or property construction. Thank you for watching. For more in-depth BeSMART videos, please view the rest of the series. To learn more about BeSMART, visit vokera.co.uk/BeSMART. If you are an installer and require training, call 01727 744 002 or email training@vokera.co.uk.